Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Fortnite fail to download supervised settings. So how can you fix this issue? Now first of all, what you can do is just go on to Google and search here Fortnite server update. And once you search this Epic Game public system, like there are multiple websites that update the problem that either the Fortnite server is online or offline, or as you can see it's Fortnite down like 3 days ago. So make sure to find the news, like is the server properly working. I have a problem with Fortnite. As you can see, people are reporting this issue. So make sure to go through the websites, multiple websites which can tell you either the other people are having this problem or not. So if like multiple people are having this problem, that means that this is some kind of game glitch or game error which will be fixed soon. But if not, what you can do is just open your Epic Game launcher, and once it is open, this might take a few seconds, so don't worry. So make sure that you have the automatic, go inside the library, and inside library make sure that you have downloaded the Fortnite, and the you can just uninstall and reinstall it as well. That depends on you if you want to uninstall it. Otherwise, you can see Fortnite installer options, so make sure to go through them, and if you have changed any of the options, make sure to fix that and click on apply. And once you have added or fixed all those problems, after that you can just go inside the settings as well of the Epic Game Launcher and install service now, install now. Make sure to install these services as well and restart your laptop or PC once, and after that hopefully all your issues will be fixed. So these are some solutions which you can try, and after that hopefully you will be able to fix your problem.